Online services can help every industry streamline their process. And this is especially true when it comes to tourism. If you've never used an online booking system, you may not see the appeal. Sure, you can deal with customers over the phone or manage your bookings through your email inbox, but there's more you can do to optimize your engagement. Offering customers the ability to use your website or social channels to self-book and pay for your services from across the globe means less work for you without jeopardizing your income. Softwares that collate all of your information in one place means being able to manage itineraries or bookings easily and gather details about your guests before they arrive. The data, made up of crucial information like revenue, waivers, guest details, business information, and staff, is organized and stored in the cloud-based platform. Booking systems have evolved, and now there are opportunities to use these platforms as hubs for your business, from operations to marketing to distribution. The benefits of adapting to an online booking system include easy channel management to avoid double booking and real-time reporting, so you can track your growth. You can also utilize features like the ability to assign staff and other inventory to specific days and activities, and make lists of your priorities. The beauty of an online booking system means you are open 24/7, easy to find online, so while you're sleeping, your customers could be making a booking. Because the booking systems are online, keeping your data stored in the cloud, you have the freedom to access it remotely, and a layer of security is added to your documents. It also cuts down massively on the amount of paperwork and data entry you need to do, cutting your workload in half without doing the same to your profits. So if you're looking to optimize your business by embracing an online booking system, look into your options. Find out what companies can work with your current digital tools and make your decision based on your needs so you can get the most out of these digital tools.